Next, we need to cut a notch in the top of the finger of the shank to accept the wire from the under bezels. Use a small cylinder burr or Krause burr and be certain to cut the notch in both sides at exactly the same height. Because the notch is cut straight across the ring shank and the outside of our under bezel ring is rounded, we need to file it straight across to match the notch that we cut into the shank. Trial fit it a couple of times as you file. The under bezel section should slide snugly into the notch on the ring shank. Make certain that it is the same height on both sides and that it is even and straight. The under bezel should fit tightly into the shank so that you do not need to clamp it to solder. Again, we're using 1500 solder here. Even though we use 1500 solder to solder the rings together, because it is platinum, the heat will not transfer that far, and you can solder this with the same solder.